Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best fireplace safety pilot kits that are available on the market for their true quality.
I put this list together based on my personal experience and hours of research. I ranked them by popularity, quality, price, durability, user reviews, and more. If you'd like more details or want to see the latest prices, be sure to check the description below, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. Alright, let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Peterson Real Fyre SPK26 manual on. The Peterson Real Fyre SPK26 valve is a manual safety pilot control designed to enhance your gas log set experience. It comes with a heat shield that protects the valve from the heat generated by the gas log set. The low-profile system allows for use in fireplaces with small clearances, ensuring that you can enjoy the warmth and ambiance of your gas log set even in tight spaces. Before purchasing, make sure you have adequate space in your fireplace for installation. This valve is specifically designed for use with propane gas log sets. With the Peterson Real Fyre SPK26 valve, you can have peace of mind knowing that you have control over your gas log set and can enjoy its benefits safely and conveniently. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Dreffco Gas Safety Pilot Kit. The Dreffco Gas Pilot Kit is designed to enhance the safety and functionality of your vented log fireplace. It allows you to connect to various burner sizes, making installation straightforward. With a powerful output of 90,000 BTUs, it ensures ample heat for your indoor space. You can choose between natural gas or liquid propane models, giving you flexibility based on your needs. The kit is crafted with quality materials and includes optional fittings, ensuring you have everything necessary for a secure connection. Safety is a priority, with the valve positioned conveniently for easy access and operation. At number 3, we have the HPC Copreci 91 ppm Natural Gas Safety Pilot Kit. The Copreci Safety Pilot Kit by HPC is a low-profile rear inlet safety pilot kit designed for gas log burners. It is compatible with burners featuring 3/8" or 1/2" male or female threads. The kit includes a Copreci 90,000 BTU valve, suitable for temperatures up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring safe operation. With a 1.5" swivel quick mount connector, installation is quick and hassle-free. This natural gas kit offers convenience and peace of mind for users. At number 2, we have the HPC Low Profile Safety Pilot Kit 91 ppm. The HPC Low Profile Pilot Kit is a safety device for gas log burners with a discrete rear inlet design. It fits burners with 3/8" male or female threads or 1/2" male threads. The kit features a Copreci 90,000 BTU valve, suitable for temperatures up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Specifically designed for natural gas, it also offers a propane conversion kit option. With this kit, you can enhance safety and control while enjoying the warmth of your fireplace. And finally, at number 1, we have the Copreci SPK85 Rear Inlet Kit. The Copreci Safety Pilot Kit is designed specifically for gas log burners, featuring 1/2" male threads. With a powerful 90,000 BTU valve, this kit ensures efficient operation even at high temperatures, rated up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. It is primarily intended for natural gas use, providing a reliable and safe solution for your fireplace needs. Additionally, if you use propane, you can easily convert it with the available propane conversion kit, 70EK. This versatility allows you to enjoy the warmth and ambiance of your gas log burner without worry.
Thanks for watching. That's all for now. I hope to see you in the next video. Until next time.